All right, today, a little treat. Whipped cream. I mean thick, good whipped cream like my mom used to make it. She had some tricks to whipped cream and I'd like to share those with you. First of all, Mom made whipped cream, believe it or not, in a coffee can. And she put it in the freezer to get it nice and cold. So that's trick number one. So let's get a coffee can here out. And let's put a pint of pure whipping cream in here. And by the way, anybody who thinks this Cool Whip is even in the same league as this stuff has never had good whipped cream. We'll get this going good. And you want to keep beating this. It starts to thicken up a little bit. We don't want to make it too thick or what? Or we'll wind up with butter. Now hopefully you can see it's starting to thicken up just a little bit. So we're going to stop here for a second and put some of this spatula. See how that's getting thick? But that's not thick enough. Most people stop there. Then they get that runny stuff. When I eat whipped cream on something, baby, I want some thick stuff. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to add just a little vanilla in that coffee can. I don't know, a teaspoon or so. Just like that. And then, I don't know, not much, maybe 1/8 of a cup of powdered sugar, depending on how sweet you want it. Powdered sugar, not granular sugar. Granular sugar will mess it up, so there we go with that. Okay, and now for Mom's trick, okay? You ready for this? Mom always put a spoonful of cream cheese in there. So we got maybe 1.5 tablespoons of that. Now this cream cheese in here is soft and it's gonna help that stuff get firm and hold its peaks and hold together. And it'll also help keep this whipped cream around for 4 or 5 days in the coffee can. So watch this. In goes the cream there. Okay. And now, always did like a little cream cheese. Now let's see what we got here. That's good. Real good. So, take a look at this. See how nice and thick that is? Okay. Won't come down like that. Well, what are we gonna do? Obviously, we're gonna take this nice, thick whipped cream here. We're gonna put it on a piece of cake. Okay. So, there you have it. Thick whipped cream. Now, what Mom always did is to take this stuff and, of course, put the lid on it, put it back in the fridge, and then you got whipped cream for 4 or 5 days. Hard to resist this stuff, knowing it's in the fridge. Sometimes I wake up at night, got to come in and have me a spoonful of that stuff. That tempting. Well, folks, that's it. Whipped cream. Good, thick whipped cream that just holds its texture. It'll keep for 4 or 5 days in the fridge in a coffee can. Anyway, remember, a clean kitchen is a happy kitchen. Bon appetit. Adios, partner. Enjoy.
If you like this recipe, you can go to mamamablesboy.com and get a written copy of it.
Well, good.